Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to remove objects from photos on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Photos app, then select a photo from which you want to remove an object. After that, then tap on Edit and select AI Editor. Then tap on AI Eraser. Now to remove an object, just create a circle around the object which you want to remove. Just like that. Now once it detects the object, it will erase the object automatically. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, then tap on Done. Then select Save. And from here you can save this image as a copy or you can replace the original photo. For now, I will select Save as Copy. Now as you can see, this is how you can remove objects from photos on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.